see the headlights of an F-150, but it's not even your F-150. Let me tell you what it is. It's the drivers, the late nights, the tailgates, and the bonfires. Slowing down, growing up, making love, it all sneaks back up. Maybe soon it won't sneak back up. When I see an F-150 and all the memories of you won't hit me. You'll be moving on with your life and I'll be moving on mine. And I'll be fine when I see an F-150 and all the memories of you won't hit me. You'll be moving on with your life and I'll be moving on mine. I'll be actually fine when I see an F-150. I don't
995. Shoot the interior. Look at that interior right there. Right there. Alright, if you're in market for a vehicle, come see me this weekend. This is Assembly Mart 5-star Ford. Our phone number is 214-498-4942. And I'm here to assist you. Even if you're not looking at this truck, we have other trucks in stock. But we got a lot of vehicles here in our showroom floor. So come see us. It's Assembly Mart 5-star Ford. We're waiting for you this weekend. Come on, see us. Thank you.